In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix images and videos not uploading on Canva. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection as Canva requires a reliable connection to upload media files. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Now you might be able to upload the photos and videos. Next thing you want to do is first close the Canva app and relaunch it. Likewise, check for app updates. For that, navigate to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Canva. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you should also verify that Canva has permission to access your device photos and files by opening your phone settings. Go to Apps, go to Canva. Now from here, provide access of photos and videos to the Canva. If you're trying to upload a very large file, consider reducing its size or converting it to a supported format before uploading again. Next up, check your device storage. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. You can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, from the list of apps, launch Canva. Click on Offload app and confirm it. This will clear cache and cookies for the Canva. Lastly, check the server status of Canva. Launch your preferred browser. Type in Canva server status. Head over to its official website. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.